Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am coming to you today live here at Magic Hair Company. Somebody asked me a very important question. Where can you find a Black-owned wig store in the USA? That's the first question somebody asked me. And then question number 2 was, who has the top natural wig store in LA? The answer to both of those questions is here at Magic Hair Company. We are a Black-owned wig store. I'm Janice. I'm the owner. This has been my business for the last 10 years. And we are located in Culver City, California, which is in LA. We're about 10 minutes from LAX. We specialize in custom full lace and front lace wigs and wig coloring like you see right here. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm only going to be on here just a moment. This is the wig that I lifted last week. We do all of our in-store coloring right here. So if you are looking for a custom colored, custom styled wig ranging anywhere from 10 to 32 inches, we have it here at Magic Hair Company. Again, we do all of our very own in-store custom coloring. I've been in business for the last 10 years, so when I tell you I have the best wigs around, believe me. But yeah, so I'm just getting on here really quickly just to kind of show you guys what we have in store. We are currently still having our 20% off sale online and in store that will end this Sunday. So come on in and shop with us in store. We do have some U parts available. I know we get questions all the time. Do we have any U parts? We do have a few body wave U parts available right now. This is the wig number if you're interested. Unit number 263. This is a 14-inch wavy, and this one is unit number 799. This one is an 18-inch wavy. Everything is 20% off right now, including our custom color. This wig was made after my wavy hair. We have our ombre hair, highlighted hair. We have amazing curly hair. If you're looking for quality curly hair that's great for vacation time and great for everyday wear, this is going to be my next wig here, wig number 725. You will see it on me in about a week. So yeah, if you were looking for great, easy maintenance, curly vacation hair, if you are looking for the best natural wig store, if you are looking for a Black-owned wig store in LA County, check out Magic Hair Company. Not only do we do custom coloring, we style, we will maintain your wig for you. We are open here in our Culver City store from Monday to Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com, or of course, come shop with us here in store. We're currently getting ready to do a remodel and almost double our capacity of wigs because we literally have wigs everywhere. If you come see us in store, which we'd love for you to shop with us here in store, you'll see we literally have wigs everywhere. We're not currently taking installation appointments, but all of our wigs are glueless, so that shouldn't be a problem. These are the 2 wigs from our live videos earlier. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to check out our hair care product line. We literally only have about 5 sets of our shampoo and conditioner left. So if you need some right now and don't want to wait until our reorder, go ahead and check that out online at magichaircompany.com or come pick them up here in store. I'll probably disable them from the website after this weekend because we don't have that many left. And this week we did get in some curly clip-ins. So if you want some curly clip-ins, we will have these available on our website. This week we're also getting in some yaki straight hair in, but these are the current clip-ins we have. Let me show you guys our yaki hair we have here. So we do have some yaki U parts. We have a few kinky straight clip-ins available as well. But let us know how we can further assist you here at Magic Hair Company. We are your premium natural wig store located in Culver, Culver City, California. We're open here in store, appointment preferred right now. Our current hours are Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com, and our 20% off sale will be ending this weekend. So if you're also looking for a fabulous braided wig, our braided wigs are on sale. We have braided wigs on our website and are on our website, magichaircompany.com, and here in store. This is some of the bundled hair that we have right now. So definitely check out our braided wigs online. We do have braided wigs online. We have an in-store custom colorist. So if you have a specific color of hair you're looking for, screenshot it and send it to us. You can send it to our text number 424-258-0657. If you are looking for easy curly maintenance, any type of vacation hair, really, because this was my wedding wig and I wore it on my honeymoon, and this is easy maintenance hair. This is a 22-inch silky straight that we custom colored here at Magic Hair Company. But if you're looking for easy maintenance vacation hair, we definitely have a lot of options for you here in store. If you are looking for a natural wig, that's what we specialize in: natural wigs, natural looking, natural feeling, 100% human hair. There's absolutely no synthetic fibers or fill-ins in any of our hair here. Yes, we are a Black-owned wig store, and we have the best natural wigs in LA. So check us out online, magichaircompany.com, or come visit us here in our Culver City store. Our address is 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. Let us know if we can further assist you, ladies and gentlemen. Again, my name is Janice. I'm the owner, and come shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. If you're looking for a quality, premium, full lace or front lace, custom colored wig, we have that for you here at Magic Hair Company. And most importantly, don't forget to check out our very own hair care product line. We have our keratin shampoo and conditioner. We have a hydrating curl definer and amplifier, which is great to maintain your curly and wavy hair. That's exactly what you need for your vacation hair, so that it's ready to go in easy maintenance. Okay, it's time for me to wrap up and get off of here. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Check us out online, magichaircompany.com. Come shop with us here in our Culver City store. I'll see you guys soon. We are Magic Hair Company, where we are changing lives one custom wig at a time. Thank you, guys. Bye.